Welcome to World's Laboratory, where we dive deep into the wonders of science. Today, we're setting sail into the vast, mysterious waters of our planet to uncover the top 5 amazing scientific discoveries of the oceans in the last decade. From uncharted depths to microscopic marvels, these discoveries are redefining our understanding of the blue world that covers over 70% of our Earth. So, grab your diving gear, and let's explore. But before we dive in, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep the wonders of the world right at your fingertips. Our journey begins at the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench. You've probably heard of it, but did you know that in the last decade, new technology has allowed us to measure it more accurately than ever before? Using advanced sonar mapping and remotely operated vehicles, scientists have confirmed that the trench plunges a staggering 36,037 feet below sea level, deeper than Mount Everest is tall. But it's not just the depth that's remarkable, it's what we found down there. Strange creatures that thrive in complete darkness and crushing pressure, and even microbial life that could hold clues to the origins of life on Earth. This discovery isn't just about depth, it's about pushing the boundaries of exploration. On our second discovery, we venture into the strange world of underwater brine pools, sometimes called dead zones of the ocean. These pools are areas of extremely salty water that settle on the ocean floor, forming their own mini lakes within the sea. They're so salty that they're toxic to most marine life, creating a lethal environment where almost nothing can survive. In these inhospitable conditions, scientists have discovered unique organisms, like bacteria and archaea, that not only survive but thrive. Studying these creatures gives us insight into how life might exist in extreme environments on other planets, like Mars or Europa. It's like having an alien world right here on Earth. On our third discovery into the ocean's depths, we enter a world that is still largely unexplored. In the past decade, scientists have discovered an astonishing number of new species in these dark, remote regions. One of the most striking is the faceless fish, a creature so rare it hadn't been seen for over a century until its rediscovery. Then there's the ruby sea dragon, a relative of the more familiar leafy and weedy sea dragons, but with a vibrant red hue perfectly suited to the deep waters it inhabits. These discoveries remind us just how little we know about our oceans. Every new species we find is a puzzle piece in understanding the vast biodiversity of our planet, much of which remains hidden in the ocean's depths. Not all discoveries are cause for celebration. One of the most sobering revelations of the last decade is the extent of microplastic pollution in our oceans. Microplastics, tiny fragments of plastic less than 5 millimeters long, have been found in the deepest parts of the ocean, floating in the water column, and even inside marine organisms. These tiny particles can have devastating effects on marine life, entering the food chain and potentially harming animals, from tiny plankton to massive whales. But this discovery has also sparked a global movement to reduce plastic waste and find sustainable solutions to protect our oceans. It's a reminder that our actions on land have far-reaching impacts, even in the most remote corners of the ocean. Finally, we turn to the ocean's critical role in regulating our planet's climate. In the past decade, we've learned more about how the ocean acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing about a quarter of the CO2 we emit each year. This process is vital in slowing the pace of global warming. But it's not just the water itself. Tiny organisms like phytoplankton play a huge part. These microscopic plants absorb CO2 through photosynthesis and form the base of the ocean's food web. Understanding these processes is crucial as we face the challenges of climate change. The health of our oceans is directly linked to the health of our planet. As we've seen today, the ocean is a place of wonder, mystery, and vital importance. These discoveries over the past decade have not only expanded our knowledge but have also underscored the need to protect and preserve these vast, uncharted waters. If you're as fascinated by the oceans as we are, be sure to subscribe to World's Laboratory for more deep dives into the amazing world of science. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and let us know in the comments which ocean discovery amazed you the most. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep wondering.